Happy Lunar New Year, you guys! Lotus and I would like to wish you and your family a whole year full of good health and prosperity. May your garden or all things in your life be blossoming like a spring garden. This is the year of the dog, and it so happens to be the month of Lotus's birthday. She just turned 15, and I feel so blessed to have her thriving and doing so well. And I think a lot of it has to do with nutrition. Feeding her a high quality, nutrient dense diet. It's just like people, they too can benefit from fresh foods, from nutrient dense food, from leafy greens. And it's something that you can do even as, as inexpensive as picking weeds in your garden or somewhere, as long as you know that they're edible and that they have not been sprayed on. There are certain times when, yes, their genes are predisposed to certain health challenges. Just by adding a little bit of these leafy greens or fresh food into their kibble, can make a huge difference. It can help lower the chances of, these genes from expressing. This month, since it's her birthday, it's also my dad's birthday, so happy birthday, Dad. And decided to make this Fullyraw cake so that we can all share. This is not something I would say highly recommend eating in high amounts, especially for, dogs that are not used to eating different kinds of foods. Lotus is. I feed her different things every single day. She shares a lot of the food that I eat. So yeah, she doesn't get like the runs from trying new things or things like that. A while ago, I saw this video created by Fullyraw Christina. So thank you for the recipe, Christina. It's like this carrot cake that looks so amazing, and I thought I should modify a few ingredients to make it friendly for dogs also. Because usually you would use cashews to make this nice creamy thick frosting for cakes, right? But they're toxic to dogs. So instead I used almonds because they can have small amounts of almond or Brazilian nuts. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoy this very special moment I want to share with you. It is not an in-depth kind of like how-to video in making a raw cake. If you guys are interested, you can follow Lotus. She's on Instagram. You can also follow me on Instagram as well, and or on Facebook, where I post, things growing, like more current events of things going on in the garden and just a glimpse of my life. So I would love to see you guys there as well. And with all that being said, I hope you will enjoy this video. Whoa, so heavy! You wanna go pick a flower with me, Lotus? Wanna go pick a flower with me, Lotus? Lotus, wanna go pick a flower with me? Lotus, wanna go pick a flower with me? Lotus, wanna go pick a flower with me? It's right here. Thank you. Okay. No, not yet, little girl, not yet. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear my Lotus. Happy birthday to you. Kisses. I wish you many more healthy, happy birthdays, Lotus. And say hello and thank you to our GI family for sending Lotus all the warm, fantastic, loving wishes. Happy birthday to everyone else who's in February. Also to her siblings, especially Jordan, her brother. Hi, my special girl. Come here. Come. Come here. Lotus, are you ready to cut the cake? Are you ready to cut the cake? Let's cut the cake.
I guess somebody likes it.
Okay, my turn. So good. Wow. Oh. I need to stick this in the freezer for a couple of hours. I think that would be really good. It's kind of mushy right now, but the flavor is excellent. Did I say flavor is excellent? Yes, I did. Thank you so much for all the warm birthday wishes, you guys. Lotus and I really feel loved, and we're gonna share the rest of the cake with all of you. Party time!